How to hook up a 3-point PTO sprayer. Back the tractor up in line with the sprayer, making sure the lift arms are lowered to the height of the sprayer's mounting points. Hook up the lift arms to the mounting points and insert the lock pins. Hook up the top link to the third mounting point and insert the lock pin. Connect the pump to the PTO shaft and hook on the torque chain to keep the pump from turning along with the PTO shaft. Using the hydraulics, lift the sprayer off the ground to ensure it is secured properly. Your sprayer should now be hooked up and ready to roll.